Today we're making Mooo Cookies, real yummy and easy to make. You need 250 grams butter or margarine at room temperature, 125 grams powdered sugar, 500 gram flour, and about 2 tablespoons of cacao. This recipe couldn't be any easier to make. Add the flour and powdered sugar to the butter and start kneading. Depending on how warm your butter is, this can take a few minutes. Mine wasn't the right temperature, so I added a bit oil to make this a bit faster. Test your dough if it can take shape and separate it into 2 equal pieces. Add the cacao to one piece and knead it. I don't like putting all the cacao at once, as the quality of the cacao can change from brand to brand. If you think it is just too light, just add a bit more. Usually 2 tablespoons are enough. Just continue kneading until you have a nice dark dough. When finished, take about 2 equal pieces from the 2 doughs and just mash them together. Don't play around with it too much though, as the doughs can get marbly. But if you want to have that effect, that's totally up to you. The great thing about this dough is that you can make it any shape. Just be careful to have it about the same thickness throughout. You don't want to have thin, almost burned cookies and the other ones still doughy. Bake these little delicious cookies for about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. These cookies don't take much color, so always check the bottom. Sometimes I take them out a bit earlier, then I have a doughy soft core in the middle. Enjoy! All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.